Ever wondered how many people are actually diving into the world of crypto, stocks, and precious metals all in one place? It's a question that pops up a lot, especially as digital finance becomes more mainstream. We're talking about platforms that aim to be your all-in-one financial hub, and one name that consistently comes up in that conversation is Uphold. So, how many individuals have actually embraced this platform? It's not just a random number, it reflects the growing appetite for accessible and versatile financial tools. To really understand the scale, we need to look at the journey Uphold has been on. Launched back in 2015, Uphold positioned itself as a platform bridging the gap between traditional finance and the burgeoning world of cryptocurrencies. Think about it, just a few years ago, accessing multiple asset classes in a single app wasn't the norm. You'd likely have separate accounts for stocks, crypto exchanges, and maybe even platforms for physical commodities. Uphold aimed to simplify this, offering a unified experience. Over the years, they've steadily built their user base, attracting individuals looking for that convenience. They've expanded their offerings significantly, moving beyond just a few cryptocurrencies to include a wide array of digital assets, fractional stocks, and even precious metals. This expansion has undoubtedly played a role in their growth. Now, let's get down to the numbers. As of recent reports and announcements, Uphold proudly boasts a user base exceeding 10 million individuals across the globe. That's a significant milestone, showcasing the platform's ability to attract and retain users in a competitive market. But what does this number really tell us? It's more than just a big figure. It signifies a growing trust in platforms that offer multi-asset access. It highlights the increasing interest in diversifying investments beyond traditional avenues. And it underscores the demand for user-friendly interfaces that simplify complex financial transactions. Think about the implications. 10 million people actively engaging with a platform like Uphold means a substantial amount of trading volume, a vibrant community of users, and a significant footprint in the digital finance landscape. It also suggests that Uphold's strategy of offering a wide range of assets and simplifying the user experience is resonating with a large audience. Of course, the digital finance world is constantly evolving. New platforms emerge, and existing ones adapt. So, while 10 million is the current benchmark, the future holds even more potential for growth as digital assets become further integrated into our daily lives. Factors like regulatory clarity, technological advancements, and increasing financial literacy will all play a role in shaping the trajectory of platforms like Uphold. It's also worth noting that user numbers aren't the only metric for success. Engagement levels, trading activity, and the overall value of assets held on the platform are also crucial indicators. However, the sheer number of individuals who have chosen to use Uphold speaks volumes about its reach and influence. So, the next time you hear about the growing popularity of digital finance, remember that behind the headlines are millions of individuals actively participating in this evolving landscape. And with over 10 million users, Uphold has firmly established itself as a key player in this global shift. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.